A polygon is a two-dimensional geometrical shape which is having more than two angles and having straight lines. Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to solve for the area of a right triangle. Let's have an example. This is our B and our H. And the formula for the area of a right triangle is 1/2 times H times B. Let's have an example. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and the hypotenuse is 8. We will use the trigonometric function sine in order for us to solve the value of our opposite side, which is our base. Substituting the value, sine 30 is equal to b over 8. So 8 times sine 30 is equal to 4. So we have now the value of our b. So let's now solve for the value of our h. This time, we will use the trigonometric function cosine. Substituting the values, cosine 30 is equal to h over 8. So 8 times cosine 30 is 4 square root of 3. Okay, we have now the values for our h and b. Our h is equal to 4 square root of 3 and our b is equal to, in the area of a right triangle, 1/2 times 4 square root of 3 times 4 is equal to 8 square root of 3, or equal to 13.86. Let's now solve for the area of a hexagon. For this example, the hexagon is inscribed by a circle, which the radius is 8 centimeter. Okay, the radius is 8 centimeter. I will label the triangle A, B, C, and I will flip the triangle, making our A as our apex. And from A to B is 8 centimeter. As you can see, our hexagon is just made up of a 6 triangle, so we must know the area of the triangle. Going back, our formula for the area of a right triangle is 1/2 times h times b. But our triangle that we labeled is a equilateral triangle composed of a 2 right triangle. So we must find the value of b and h respectively. So in order to know the angle A, we just divide 180 over n, which is our number of sides. So the angle A is 30 degrees. But first, we need to know the angle A in order for us to solve the other parameters. So to know that, we just divide 360 by the number of sides, so 6. Therefore, the angle A is equal to 60 degrees. But our triangle is an equilateral triangle. This is made up of a two right triangle. So the angle we will using is 60 divided by 2. So we have now the angle 30 degrees. We will use the sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite side is our base, and our hypotenuse is 8 cm. So sine 30 is equal to base over 8. And our base is equal to 4. We will now solve for our h. Don't be confused with the hypotenuse. We will use cosine 30 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Our adjacent is our h, and our hypotenuse is 8 cm. So 4 square root of 3. This is our h, and our b, h is equal to 4 square root of 3. So we can now solve the area of a right triangle, which is 1/2 times 4 square root of 3 times 4. That would be equal to 8 square root of 3. Then we need to multiply our right triangle by 12 in order for us to get the total area of our hexagon. So 8 square root of 3, or 13.86 multiplied by 12 equal to 166.28 centimeters squared. And that's all.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.